Today we're gonna play Boba Tower again. In the last episode we played this one, so today we're gonna play this one. Okay guys, let's start. Which way should we go? Okay, here. Okay guys, jump. I almost fall. Oh, I took a bit damage. It's okay. Let's go. Oh, I fall again. Let's try again. Oh, ow. Oh, are you kidding me, guys? Come on. We need to get up. Okay, finally. Let's go. By the way, this is my real sound again. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. This is easy, guys. Oh, I make a mistake. Is this choosing the real path again? Oh yeah, it is. Climb up. Wait, what? What is this? I can go through walls. Am I a ghost? Bruh. Okay. Now what? Oh, come again. Okay. Let's get up again. And here it is. Oh, look, there's a bridge. Let's get across that bridge. Oop, oop. It's boba. Do you guys love boba? Let me know in the comments. Don't worry, guys. Let's go. Wait. Okay, guys, we're back in here. Oh. Wow, guys, I fell again. Oh man. Oh, wait, I missed that. Okay. I'm not gonna fall right now. Ouch. Guys, I finally made it to the top. Whee. Yeah, I did it, guys. I didn't get the badge because I already played this. I made it again. I play it again because I just wanna make you guys see me play this. I just fall so many times in this stage because it's so hard. Well, thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Tomorrow I'm gonna play this one, okay? The white boba tea. See you.